They're doing it. There it is. See, watch the black one tackle her. Oh, gotta get in on it. This is a riot. Nowhere to go. Oh. That's fantastic. I think they were all high or something. This is what we can't do in the shelter. They can't get full tilt boogie on like this, you know? And it's not that much more space. What do you do? Knock the trash can over?
Hard to tell.
Oh, good tackle.
Ooh.
Oh, they're pretty rough for little guys, huh? Sumo wrestling. He's just trouncing him. He's bigger, but she's faster. And she's the fastest. Oh! She's just gonna trounce everybody. Oh! You don't suppose they kill us in our sleep, do you?
No. Hope not.
Oh. They feel like these wrestling moves, you know?
I know, they're like rolling and tumbling.
Gotta go from YouTube.
Meanwhile, back at the Rumble.
See, like, wouldn't this be a priceless thing for an owner to have?
I know.
Oh my god, these guys should be in the Cat Olympics. Run, Tara, run! Get her, Jax!
Well, it's been going for 4 minutes and they haven't repeated themselves. There you go, Jax.
Where's Jazz?